seen the photos people are posting lately, you already know something major just landed. Edits look cleaner, blends look effortless, and creators are building designs that look way beyond what normal editing apps usually produce. And the tool behind all of it is Nano Banana Pro. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to wait for anything. You can use the full version right now, completely free, across 5 different sites, each giving you free credits to experiment with. So in this video, I'll show you where to find it, how to use it, and what makes Nano Banana Pro so much better than the first version, all in under 5 minutes.
I'm really that good. Yeah.
Welcome back to AI Chief. I'm Clay Fletcher. If you've been following our breakdowns, we recently covered Nano Banana, the first version that surprised everyone with how close it came to real photo editing. If you missed that tutorial, it's on the channel and it's worth watching because it makes the jump to Nano Banana Pro even more impressive. And if you want weekly tutorials, new tools to try, and real prompts you can use right away, make sure you join the free newsletter. The link is in the description. Alright, let's look at what actually makes Nano Banana Pro different from the first version, and how you can start using it for free. Before we jump into the 5 sites, here's the quick version of what changed from the first Nano Banana. The Pro upgrade finally handles things the original struggled with. You can blend up to 6 photos in one go, faces stay consistent across completely different scenes, and text on posters or covers comes out clean and readable every single time. You also get features the first version never offered, like turning a single image into a labeled diagram or resizing your visuals to any format you need for different platforms. And the overall quality feels more polished. And the best part is you're not limited to one website. There are 5 different places where Nano Banana Pro works for free, each with their own strengths and free credits to test everything out. So let's start with the first one. Many people tried Nano Banana through Google Gemini, and the Pro model works the same way. Just select Nano Banana and type what you want. Since we're testing improvements, let's focus on something the Pro version does extremely well. The first feature we'll test here is consistent faces across different lighting. Here's a prompt designed specifically for that. This lets you see how stable the Pro model is when the lighting and mood change. The only downside is that Gemini limits you to 1K resolution and a few generations per day. So it's useful for quick previews, but not ideal if you need higher quality or full creative control. If you want to see Nano Banana Pro at full strength, Higgsfield is the place to start. Their paid plans unlock unlimited 4K generations, but even on the free tier you still get 2K quality, which is more than enough to test the model properly. Here's where we test the second feature, which is multi-image blending. To use this feature, simply select Nano Banana Pro, choose your aspect ratio, switch to 2K, and upload your images. For this demo, I added 6 completely different photos: a sports car, sunglasses, a winding road, a portrait, cherries, and a nature background. Then I use this prompt, tap generate, and Higgsfield pulls everything together into one clean, connected scene. Now let's move to the next platform, because this one gives you full 4K control, sharp text, and poster level accuracy. Completely free. LovArt is perfect when you want room to experiment. You get 100 free credits a day, full 4K exports, and complete control over aspect ratios, which makes it one of the easiest ways to test Nano Banana Pro properly. Just tap Nano Banana Pro at the bottom, hit the plus icon for a new project, and switch to the image generator. The layout is simple, and everything you need is right on the canvas. Now let's try the 2 more features Nano Banana Pro handles better than almost anything else. The third feature is text accuracy. Older models usually fell apart when it came to spelling and alignment, but the Pro version nails typography. Try this prompt to check text accuracy, hit generate, and you'll see how cleanly Nano Banana Pro handles layouts. And the fourth feature is diagrams, turning a single photo into a labeled explainer instantly. This is where Nano Banana Pro starts to feel like a real design assistant. You can upload a single photo and turn it into a labeled, presentation-ready breakdown in one shot. It keeps the spacing even, organizes labels logically, and builds a layout that actually feels intentional. Or you can try this prompt too for explainer infographics. Nano Banana Pro nails it right. We've tested accuracy, blends, and diagrams. Now let's jump into the fifth feature. Graphic designing LM Arena is where Nano Banana Pro starts feeling like a real design studio. Tap the battle icon, switch to direct chat, and choose Gemini 3 Nano Banana Pro at the top. Once that's selected, the workspace is clean and simple. For this demo, I'm using the AI Chief logo to create a full branded product lineup. Here's the stronger, more relevant prompt you can use inside LM Arena. Nano Banana Pro turns a logo into real packaging. If you want to take Nano Banana Pro beyond static images, Hailuo AI is the tool that does it. This one doesn't just generate photos, it turns them into animated story clicks. While keeping your character consistent across every scene. So now let's test the sixth feature, text to video. When you load the site, open the agent panel, choose the Nano Banana model, and you'll see a simple timeline-style interface where you can drop an image and build out a short sequence. Now let's test it with something fun and visual. First, upload any character image you want, a portrait, a mascot, or a product photo. Hailuo will use that as your main character for the entire story. Here's a strong, engaging prompt you can try. Hailuo AI generates each scene as a separate Nano Banana Pro image, then automatically animates them into a smooth, cinematic sequence. Before we wrap this up, there are a couple more things Nano Banana Pro does incredibly well. No matter which platform you're using, its text-to-image ability is on another level, and it's one of the easiest ways to build visuals. Let me give you a fun prompt to keep the same face across multiple frames. This gives you a mini movie and static images, and every frame stays consistent. Another thing people love doing with Nano Banana Pro is building chaotic group photos. Here's a prompt that always turns out hilarious. These always go viral because the model matches faces extremely well. And that's the tour. You've got 5 places to use Nano Banana Pro for free, a bunch of features to test, and enough prompts to start creating right away. If you want me to cover more tools like this, or you want deeper prompt packs, tell me in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to AI Chief. And if you want weekly tools, tricks, and ready-to-use prompts, join the free newsletter. Links in the description. I'll see you in the next one.